Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the Harvey Godfrey LM test for heteroscedasticity. This test was developed by Harvey in 1976 and Godfrey in 1978. In order to briefly explain the steps involved in this test, we will consider the following econometrics model. That is yi is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 x2i plus beta 3 x3i plus beta k xki plus mu I. The first step in this test is, first of all, we will run a regression of the above equation and obtain the estimated residual. Step 2. After obtaining estimated residual, we will run the following auxiliary regression, that is log of mu I hat square is equal to a1 plus a2 z2i plus a3 z3i plus so on plus ap zpi plus vi. The step 3 of this test is formulate the null and alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis of this test will be homoscedasticity, that is h naught a1 is equal to a2 so on ap is equal to 0, while the alternative hypothesis will be that at least one of the a's is different from 0. Final step, which is step 4 of this test, that we will compute the LM, Lagrangian multiplier, that is equal to nr square, where n is equal to number of observations used in order to estimate the auxiliary regression in step 2, and r square is the coefficient of determination of this regression model. The LM statistic follows the chi-square distribution with rho minus 1 degree of freedom. Step 5. Reject the null and conclude that there is significant evidence of heteroscedasticity when LM statistic is greater than the critical value. If the LM statistic is greater than the critical value, then we will conclude that there is the evidence of heteroscedasticity. Alternatively, compute the probability value and reject the null if the p-value is less than the level of significance, or if the probability value is less than the significance value. Usually we have 0.05 significance value. Hence these are the procedures or different steps involved in the Harvey Godfrey LM test for heteroscedasticity.